Welcome to the first part of the video tutorial about pipeline pilot data functions by Discngine.
Let's start by defining what are TIBCO Spotfire data functions. Data functions have been designed to integrate external software for data retrieval and processing and are used by TIBCO to integrate with R, Python, SAS, Matlab or S+. The data function concept can be extended with the public API and comes with standardized integration mechanisms and user interfaces. Discngine has created an extension of the data functions to expose an easy-to-use, bidirectional, data integration mechanism between a Spotfire document and pipeline pilot protocols. Pipeline pilot data functions can read from and write into Spotfire documents data tables, data columns, or document properties. The data flow between the data function and pipeline pilot protocols uses Spotfire binary data files to preserve binary data types like molecules, images, or biological sequences. Many data science use cases can be addressed with these data functions. For example, you can retrieve a fresh dataset from the execution of a protocol. You can also send a data table containing molecular structures for processing, like property prediction or clustering. In summary, pipeline pilot data functions provide data-only, bidirectional integration between the two platforms. It runs in Spotfire Analyst, Web Player, and automation services and does not require programming or scripting to work.
In the next video, you will learn how to create and register a pipeline pilot data function.